Buckle up, everyone. I have a wild and crazy video for you today from Byron Wheelstand Competition 2024 in Byron, Illinois. First off, I want to say one of my GoPro cameras did not survive this weekend. One of the track officials brought it to me in about 7 pieces. Here, let me tell you the story. I'm shooting video from up in the stands. I have a GoPro camera inside the car and one on the roof of the car. In this video clip, you will see on his last wheelie attempt, when he comes down, it is so violent it just rips the GoPro off of the roof of his car. Check it out. Okay, let me fill you in on this historical wheelie contest that is going on each year at the end of summer. Each contestant gets 3 tries to do the longest wheelie down the quarter-mile drag strip in 2 different sessions to win a grand prize of $10,000, a trophy, and bragging rights to being Wheelie King for a year. So this Pinto has done his first wheelie at 520 feet and has 2 more tries to go in this first session. And then this is the part where my GoPro gets ripped off. It had a good life. Alright, now on to highlights of some other cars competing in this event. I invite you to check out my new TomEighty.com merch page that not only has the GM seatbelt belt, but it also has a must-have toolbox item such as the magnetic pickup tool to get sockets, nuts, bolts, or wrenches that have fallen down in hard-to-reach spots in your engine bay. It extends up to 26 inches and has a light on the end of it. A new design and a game changer of a headlamp. This will allow you to work with your hands free and have the light always shine in the direction you are working. Also, you can turn it off and on with the hand motion. This is the best in-car phone charger I have found yet. It has both Apple and Android charging cables that retract out 2.5 feet and coil back up nice and neat. It also has a USB-C and standard USB plug-in to charge other items. So check out these items and more at TomEighty.com.